Conversion of decimal number into fractional number. The following steps are to be taken care of to convert a decimal number into fractional number. 1. Ignore the decimal point in decimal number and write the number in numerator. 2. In the denominator write 1 and put as many zeros as the number of digits after the decimal point in the given number. 3. Reduce the fraction to lowest term if proper fraction, and if improper fraction convert into mixed number. Example 1. Convert 6.8 into a fraction. Solution. Step 1. Ignore decimal point and write the number in the numerator. So numerator is 68. Step 2. In denominator, write 1 and put as many zeros as the number of digits after the decimal point. Here there is only one digit after the decimal point. So denominator is 10. Therefore fractional number is equal to 68 upon 10. Or 34 upon 5 is equal to 64 upon 5. Example 2. Convert 10.5 to 3 into a fraction. Solution. Step 1. Ignore decimal point and write the number in the numerator without decimal point. So numerator is 10,523. Step 2. Write 1 and put as many zeros as the number of digits after the decimal point. There are 3 digits after the decimal point. So denominator is 1000. Therefore fractional number is equal to 10,523 upon 1000. Conversion of a fraction into a decimal. We have to follow these steps. 1. Change the fraction with equivalent fractions having denominators as multiples of 10, that is, 10, 100, 1000. 2. Count the number of zeros in the denominator after 1. 3. Start from the extreme right of the numerator and put the decimal point after as many digits as the number of zeros in the denominator. Example 1. Convert 17 upon 20 into decimal form. Solution. Step 1. We have to change the fraction so that the denominator becomes 10, 100, 1000, etc. In this case it should be 100. 17 upon 20 is equal to 17 multiply 5 upon 20 multiply 5 is equal 85 upon 100. Step 2. Since there are 2 zeros after 1 in the denominator, put decimal point after 2 digits. Start from extreme right to the numerator. 85 upon 100 is equals 0.85. Answer. 0.85. Example 2. Convert 1031 upon 125 into decimal form. Solution. 1031 upon 125 is equal to 1281 upon 125. Convert into improper fractions. Step 1. Equivalent fraction with denominator as 10, 100, 1000, etc. In this case, it should be 1000. 1281 upon 125 is equal to 1281 multiply 8. 125 multiply 8 is equal to 10,248 upon 1000. Step 2. Count zeros after 1 in the denominator, that is 3. Put decimal point after 3 digits in the numerator. Start counting from right of the numerator. 10,248 upon 1000. is equal to 10.248. Answer: 10.248. Practical application of decimals in daily life. Use of decimals in daily life. 1. Money. We know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. 10 paise is equal to 1 upon 10 rupees, or we write 0.1 rupee. 50 paise is equal to 50 upon 100. Is equal to 1 upon 2 rupee, or we write 0.5 rupee. In a packet of biscuits, MRP, maximum retail price, is written as 25.50. We express this as rupees 25 and paise 50. A litre of petrol in Delhi costs rupees 87.85, means rupees 87 and paise 85. A packet of Maggi noodle costs rupees 10.25, means rupees 10 and paise 25. 2. Weight. We go to the market to purchase vegetable, rice, sugar, dal, etc. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 0.5 kilogram is equal to 1 upon 2 kilograms is equal to 500 gram. 0.25 kilogram is equal to 1 upon 4 kilograms is equal to 250 gram. 0.1 kilogram is equal to 1 upon 10 kilograms is equal to 100 gram. These are all measurements of weight. We buy 1 upon 2 kilograms potato, means 1 kilogram 500 gram potato. 1.5 kilogram of potato. Buying to 1 upon 4 kilograms sugar means 2 kilograms 250 gram sugar. 2.25 kilogram of sugar. Buying 1 upon 2 kilograms spices means 500 gram spices. 0.5 kilogram of spices. 3. Capacity or volume. Measurement of liquids is done by volume. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 upon 2 liter is equal to 500 milliliters, equal to 0.5 liter. 1 upon 4 liter is equal to 250 milliliter, is equal to 0.25 liter. 1 upon 10 liter is equal to 100 milliliters is equal to 0.1 liter. We buy 5 liters cooking oil, 1 liter oil, 250 milliliters hair oil, 100 milliliters small shampoo pack. 4. Length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. These units mm, cm, m and kilometer are the most commonly used units to measure the length. Large distance in kilometer. Railway station is 24.5 kilometers from my residence. Medium length in meter, m, 100.6 meter, 200.7 meter, 400.8 meter. Small length in centimeter, 12.8 centimeter, 15.75 centimeter. Smaller length in millimeter, 6.9 millimeter. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Rules for addition and subtraction of decimals. 1. Convert all decimals into like decimals if required. 2. Arrange the numbers to be added or subtracted according to their place values. Decimal points should be placed directly below each other. 3. Add or subtract as we do in whole numbers. 4. Put the decimal in the sum or difference directly below the decimal points of the numbers. Example 1. Add 9.2, 19.57 and 190.879. Solution. The given decimals are unlike decimal. Convert unlike decimals into like decimals. 9.2. Convert to like decimal. 9.200. 19.57. Convert to like decimal. Plus 19.570. 190.879. Plus 190.879. Answer. 219.649. Example 2. Subtract 879.765 from 1000. Solution. If the decimals are unlike decimals, convert the decimals into like decimals. 1000. Convert to like decimal. 1000.000. 879.765. Minus 879.765. Answer. 120.235. Check the subtractions. Add. Difference. Plus subtrahend. Minuend. Here. Difference. 120.235. Subtrahend. Plus 879.765. Minuend. 1000.000. So the difference obtained is correct. Word problems. Let us take some examples of word problems related to addition and subtraction of decimals. Example 1. Rahul walks a distance of 0.8 km to catch a bus for the metro station. Rahul travels 16.4 km on metro and again walks 0.5 km to reach school. What is the total distance covered by Rahul to reach school? Solution. Distance travelled by walking 0.82 km. Distance travelled by metro is 16.40 km. Converted 16.4 km into like decimal 10.40 km. Distance from metro station is 0.50 km. Converted 0.5 km into like decimal 0.50 km. Now add all 3 plus 17.7 to kilometer. Answer. Total distance covered by Rahul is 17.7 to kilometer.